Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw ad audiences from Meta Ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Meta Ads Manager. Log in to your Meta account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in Ads Manager, look for the Ads tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Next, find the campaign that contains the audience you want to withdraw. Click on the campaign to open its details. Now, click on the Ad Sets tab to view all ad sets under this campaign. Locate the ad set associated with the audience you wish to withdraw. Click on the ad set to view its settings and details. Scroll down to the audience section to find the current audience settings. Here, you will see all the audiences associated with this ad set. To withdraw an audience, click on the Edit button in the audience section. In the audience settings, look for the audience you want to remove. Click the X next to the audience name to withdraw it. After removing the audience, you can either select a new one or leave it blank. Once the changes are made, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the Publish button to save your changes. Your audience has now been successfully withdrawn from the ad set. Repeat this process for any other ad sets as needed. Finally, review all changes to ensure everything is correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.